Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about the market itself and make my daily commentary about it. So I'm going to start off with the American market. The situation in the American market is not good. Even if it's out of another AVAX in the world, the announcements about the Trump is made its way up in the Monday, but at the moment it's closing the week within the seems like a sell. The indicator gave us sell at the moment, so this is bad. This means that technically it's break the also this is a huge support level. It also break it, so that means we need to sell at the moment because of the technicals. Why I'm talking about this is I know the future of the AI, I know the future of the US markets, but at the moment the American markets technical indicators say us have to be sell the American markets because this sell-off could be get into deeper levels if the American war within the Iran will be escalate. This is a huge sell-off could be occur over here. This sell-off is all about the Americans war with the Iran. So what am I thinking about the war and the markets? My opinion is going to be the America will be make an invasion to the Kharg Island within this maybe this weekend, maybe start of the week. I think it's in the weekend they will do it, and when they do it, they will be try to be open the Hormuz channel, and maybe they can, maybe they don't, but I think the Iran will be securing its missiles for the American destroyers and American ships for the cooperate with the oil shipments. Iran will be hit America and America will be hit Iran, and this war will be escalate through maybe 1 week, maybe 2 week, I do not know, but the war will be escalated. So if that happens, my prediction happens, I think there's a huge sell-off could be occur through here, and it can be go through like the 6133 level, of my opinion can be go through there, and I don't think it will be go much down from there. And also with the AI hype, when the risk tension will be rising again, when the markets want to be get into the risky assets, the first thing will be the market will be buy the American markets, because there is an AI story which is waiting for us to be rally in the American markets, but yet these indicators at the moment in the sell for the American market. If I'm going to be sell the American stocks, what will I do? You will have to go for the cash dollars. Why am I saying cash? Because they always told us the security harbor is always be the gold and the stuff, but it is not true. You can see it in the markets at the moment, because the risky assets, there is a tension escalated in the world, there is a serious things when it happened in the world. Also the gold will be a sell-off too, but the safe harbor is always the American bonds, I mean American cash in the interest rate. So because there is a unclarity happening in the market at the moment, there is not much certainty in the market, people do not know what's to be happen, what's to be done. So they are just going for the cash and predict the situation at the moment to make it clarify it at the moment. So risky assets in the sell-off at the moment. Also gold is a risky asset. Huge sell-off occurred over here. If the things going to be happen through what I said, it can be go back to the 3800 levels, it can be go through there. Seems like situation in this gold is also not good at the moment very much. Platinum, I did not make a platinum, but if I have to say so, it break the Fibonacci level, tries to be the go to 1900 level, but seems like they didn't yet finish, but it seems like the 1600 will be the next step for the platinum. For the silver tries to be hold through the 65 level. If the war escalates through the island of the Kharg, and also the Suez channel will be the escalate the war, this will be make a sell-off for the silver. Maybe we can see through the 53 levels through there. So tighten your seatbelts and make your cash ready for the buy of Bitcoin. Bitcoin also affected, and it seems like we are going through the $64,000 level again. It break this trend line also in the 4-hour charts. It went back to this support level, but it seems like it will be eventually go back to the 63 levels. Maybe if the war will be escalate too much, it can be go back to the $60,000 level, or maybe 59, 58 or something like that, but we are in the near of the bottom. If you are holding assets, these assets will be go up, but if you are not holding assets, just holding cash, this is an opportunity for buy. If you are holding cash and holding assets, my honest reaction about it, I'm also that way. I'm holding cash and I'm holding the assets, American stocks and the crypto. I'm just waiting, I'm not adding I'm waiting for the market to be clarified, waiting for to find these dips. Whenever it finds dips, I'm going to be add on for the assets. I will make a video for the dip levels. We are not in the dip yet. Ceteris paribus situation. If Trump makes an announcement about the peace or something like that, I do not know, but at the moment it's like the 64,000 is a dip for the Bitcoin. Maybe the very deep is going to be the 59 or 60. Also Ethereum, the same thing. They are all following Bitcoin. If it's going to be go down, it can go like the 1800 levels for the dip. Very deep, 1700 levels. XRP can be gone below the 1.11 levels. It can be go back to $1 level, because XRP did not go up very well when the market was going up, when the Bitcoin was going up, but it can be go down very much. XRP, XMR is also could be hit this trend line, maybe violate this trend line, and it could be go back to the 290 levels we can see through there. I mean the very deep levels. Also the AVAX 818 or the 780 is could be the occur through here, maybe 72, because this is adjusted to the current supply. That could be happen. Fed is holding strong, but I do not know, there's a negative divergence occurring in the Fed. Well, my honest reaction, this is a sell-off. I will sell off, but I'm holding Fed and I'm not selling it because I think there is a story about here. And when the other altcoins are made a pump up within the Bitcoin and they pumped back down, but Fed is not doing that. Fed pumped up, Fed is also holding strong when the markets are going down. As you can see through here, Bitcoin was go down like 4%. Also, it's in its 12th of February level, maybe in the 7th of March, was in the 0.14 at the moment, and right now it's doubled it, almost doubled it. I mean, so the situation in the Fed, it's holding strong. Need to look at the situation at the Fed. Maybe there's something it's happening to Fed that we don't know. I do not know. Or maybe this is a manipulative because there's not much volume over here. So thank you for watching my video. See you all.